Babe, what is this? No dance reel for Independence Day?
Independence Day? What Independence Day?
Are you drinking water or alcohol? Are you okay? Independence Day. India got independence on 15th August.
Yes, India, the country got independence on 15th of August. But did women get independence?
What do you mean?
What do I? I'll explain you. You know, if I wear this outfit and walk outside in India,
You're not wearing this outside.
of course. How can I wear it? Is this freedom? You know how many eyes will look at me up and down? Standing, I'll be raped without physical touch also. You know, that eyes also make us feel uncomfortable. You know, if I go outside for a job also, I have to be home by 7 o'clock. Why? Because it's unsafe for a girl to be outside. Is that freedom? So I'm under curfew because I'm a woman. I have to think twice before taking up a job. Why? What would my husband say? Before marriage, the father's rules or the brother's rules. And after marriage, ask your husband. So I am your slave. I have to ask you permissions of how I want to live my life. Correct? Is this independence for women? If I get raped tomorrow, wearing even a sari, I'll be blamed, not the man. My face will be exposed everywhere, not the man. Is this independence? If I'm touched in the bus, you know how uncomfortable it is? Oh, it was just a touch. Is that independence? They'll tell us to keep quiet. Why? Our names will get spoiled. No one goes and tells the man.
No one tells a man how to behave.
They'll say, what's the girl's fault? She wore short clothes. She called him near. You know how that feels? Is that independence? Celebrate Independence Day. All India, my brothers and sisters, the teachers know in the school to take a pledge. What happens with the same pledge? That time, no India is your brother and sisters. Raksha Bandhan we celebrate. You know the meaning of Raksha Bandhan in India? A sister ties a Rakhi for a brother as a symbol of strength and protection. Where are the brothers gone when the time comes to protect them? That time, the girl is to be blamed. This is independence. We've been fighting for years and years. This government has got independence. Of course, celebrate it. Now Kolkata rape case. Nirbhaya rape case. How many more rape cases? Still, government not taking any action. Everything goes under the carpet. So my dear friend, take this water, or if you want, go and take a drink. Okay? And go celebrate your independence. I'm fine. Jai Bharat, Jai Mata, all that we can do. But first, give justice to the girl. We cannot deal, no? The government cannot take care of this justice. Hand over the rapist to the family. Let them take care of it. The Independence Day.